Hi Gemini, welcome to my channel The Magical Aura, and this is your tarot reader Ursheen. Okay, so today we are going to do the monthly reading of June 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you, but if it resonates, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be updated about my latest readings. Alright, now let's see what is June bringing for Gemini. So wait. Alright, so the overall energy for you in June is King of Pentacles, working with money, stability, more of maturity, I feel. Yes. Let's see. So what is the current energy? Okay. 10 of Wands, crossing over with 10 of... Okay, Rods is the 9 of Cups. A lot of stress because you are not happy where you are. You see other people, you are seeing many happy families around you, so you are not even, you are not happy for your life. You are more worried that other peoples are happy, and I am like this. Okay, let's see what's in your mind. 2 of Cups, yeah, a soulmate, a person, some other thing going on. It's more of a love energy which I'm getting. Okay, in the past, High Priest. Okay. What is the reason of the reading? 2 of Rods. Sometimes this, sometimes that. Never, don't know where to go. Your future, 5 of Pentacles. Okay, left out in the cold. What do you want? You want lovers. Gemini, Taurus. Okay. People around you, Page of Cups. Your emotional feeling justice, might be dealing with a Libra, and your outcome is the Tower. Okay. The energy which I am getting is like, you are looking towards other people and their happiness. You are feeling that other people are happy. Why my life is like this? Why I am suffering? Why is it me? Why everyone is happy? Everyone has someone. They are getting married, and you are like, you are single. You are just feeling left out. If it's related to job, you are not even satisfied with your job. You are looking for other jobs because you feel wherever you are not happy. You are thinking that the grass is greener on the other side, but it is actually not. It's just like you are confused. You are not confused, basically you are you don't even know what's happening. You are so much into stress, you are so much into burden, that you are not able to realize that everyone is going through the same procedure. It's a process which is going on. Okay, so I'll clarify the cards as well. Let's see what's the King of Pentacles in your overall energy. Okay, 8 of Wands. with the King of Swords. Okay, you want to communicate with some person, you want to communicate, you're waiting for some job opportunity, you are waiting for an offer of love or an offer of job, something new, something exciting, something which Geminis always love. They love something which is every time different. It should be different every time. And let's see what's your present energy. 10 of Rods, 5 of Swords. Crossing over is the 9 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles. Yes, you just feel that your life is the most horrible life. You are in that situation where you can't even go anywhere, you are in burden, you are stressed, people are leaving you, you are being left out, it's just going like that. And you are seeing happy families because you now understand that stability, it matters. It's not just one day, 2 day thing, it's like a lifetime thing. So now you have understood that, and that is why it's like you are watching over here, you know that it's happening. Everyone is happy in their lives. On your mind is the 2 of Cups. I don't need to clarify it because it's like you want this connection, but you don't even know with whom. You love your job, but it's like, you are in, if it is related to your job, you are in a job where you think you are working a lot, you are getting overstressed, over exhausted, and you feel that okay, if I'll change my job I'll be happy. But no, it will happen again. You are looking towards people who are happy, because you want 2 of Cups, you want the Lovers, but your emotional energy, you know that it's not easy. You know that the balance which is needed, the temperance which is needed is inside you. You have to be mature enough, you have to understand that this is not a game, it is the reality. Let's see the High Priest in the past energy. Okay, 7 of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. Okay, so it might be marriage. I can see that either you are married, or you were married, or you were dealing someone who is married or something like that. Marriage is involved, and you're waiting for some person or something. You are waiting for someone, I can see. Either you are waiting for your job, your promotion, or you are waiting for that person you think is your soulmate. Let's see what is the reason of the reading. Tower. 2 of Rods with the Tower. You knew that, actually you didn't know that what you are choosing. You were in the middle of 2 roads, okay, but you didn't know where to go. And what happened? The Tower happened. Everything fell down, everything got over, which led you in the 5 of Pentacles. And I think it's repeating again and again and again. Last time also, I think this energy was the same. The May energies of Gemini were same. I really feel that. Tower over here, 5 of Pentacles. Why is your mind so much not prepared? Why are you not prepared to do something, to live a life the way you want? Why are you not able to do that? What's going on, Geminis? Let's see what's the Page of Cups in the other people energy. King of Rods. The people around you, or whomsoever you are dealing with, there's a new new connection has been started with someone who is more passionate. You are like, you're still waiting. If you're still waiting, so there's no need to wait. Okay, let's see what's this Justice card about. The Fool and the Seven of Swords. Your emotional energy, this is about your emotions. How are you feeling emotionally? You want to take a risk in life again, because I really sense that it has already been happened in your life, because you are the one who went away, but you want to start it again. You want to take a risk in life. You are being a risk taker. You want a new beginning. Because of the Tower, there was some ending, and you want to start something new. So let's see what's the outcome. The outcome is the Tower, which is like, it's not gonna happen, but let's see, let's clarify. Okay, I really feel there's a new person in your life who is going to come really soon with a very stable offer, and the Tower which fell down, it's going to start, and you are going to start a new life with someone new coming in your life, or some new opportunity in your job as well. If you are thinking that you are left out, if you are out of money, if you are bearing some losses in your finances, in your work, so it's going to happen. New offer is going to come where you will be able to make more money. Okay, so that's all for my Geminis. I really hope you liked the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.